I love the smell of new cards in the afternoon. What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and today I'm going to be showing you an insane pop-out sandwich card trick. Let's do it. Alright, now check this out. For this trick, I'm going to need the help of the two jokers, and then I also have a card selected by a spectator. Let's just say that card right there. You're going to take a look and remember that card. Hopefully you got that memorized by now. And I'm just going to have the spectator hold on to all this stuff. So we're going to take that card, leave it somewhere in the center of the deck. There we go. Should be good enough. And now I'm going to start going through the deck like this. And wherever the spectator calls out stop, we're going to take these two jokers and put them in that location face up. All right? So we're going to start going through. Let's say spectator calls out stop right here. All right, so we're going to take these two jokers. If I can hold on to them properly. Doesn't really matter if they're facing you, spectator, whatever it is. We're going to take them, leave them right here. And then we're just going to square it all up. Push that right in there. Give the deck a few cuts. And now, of course, you probably know the magic of this trick is not in actually getting that card sandwiched between the two jokers. But the magic is actually in shooting out that sandwiched card. Ready? So check this out. 1, 2, 3. And we'll see the card sandwiched between those two jokers is your card, the Jack of Clubs. So I hope you guys enjoyed that trick. I know I was dying of heat the entire time while performing for you, so that was fantastic. And of course, the tutorial will be out 24 hours after the release of this video. So in the meantime, go and check out that video, and I'll see you there. Peace out.